Hi, this is Kate, the tech teacher, and I'm here to go through a code.org lesson with you. This is an unplugged lesson. This is a lesson that I use to introduce programming. After I've already introduced algorithms and we learn to drag and drop, next I introduce programming with happy maps. So this is a lesson that I will turn into a PowerPoint. You can click right on the lesson plan here. The lesson includes the objectives, which I use their lesson objectives. I align them to the standards. They use the computer science standards 2017. I use the ITSINET standards, computational thinking. ITSINET standard. That's what aligns to all of these. I do like the way the computer science standards break down what these students are doing, because they are decoding, they are creating step-by-step algorithms, they are using symbols instead of words to manipulate data, they are breaking down a problem into smaller parts, and they're developing a plan or a sequence to solve the problem. So it's a lot that they do, and they just think that they're having fun. The lessons come with detailed scripts for their warm up, their main activity, and their wrap up. Great questions. It comes with, you can also print out the PDF of the lesson plan and the handouts. Real simple right here. Print out all the handouts. So, actually, this is for the safety. That's for digital citizenship. These are the handouts for Happy Maps. Typically what I do is I will turn this into an interactive PowerPoint where I will cut all this out and make it movable, and I will have students come to my board and they will solve all of these problems moving around the arrows as one big group. And then I'll send them to their seats and have them do this again on their own, circling the correct arrows. As you can see, it gets progressively harder. They start off simple with one direction, and it progresses to from 2 directions to 3 directions. I would create my PowerPoint. I introduce the standards to the students and the objectives, but I also break down an I can statement. So I would say, I can break down a program into smaller parts. I can help Ferb get the fruit. I can identify the direction Ferb needs to go in to get the fruit. I can tell you how many times Ferb needs to get the fruit. Into something that they understand, and that's what they're going to actually do. When you are done, they have another fun, I never get to this, but this might be a second lesson. This year, every other year, I taught one lesson a week to my students, but now I have my students for 3 months straight. So I do have more opportunities. So this is a game board. So these are the game board pieces, and I'll give you a blank game board. Maybe it's at the end of this one. Yeah, here's the empty game board. These are the pieces, and then students can work in pairs to create their own maps and have each solve each other's codes. So that is a lesson in code.org. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you are wondering, what do I teach kindergarteners? How do I teach kindergarteners computer science? This is it. It's fun, engaging. They love it. They're working on multiple skills in math as well as computer science. And it's great for their brains. Have a great day, guys. Thank you. Bye.